A local man finally found a home thanks to an organization that's working to make sure people don't go hungry as the pandemic continues. We first introduced you to him last month. Now we partnered with Eastern's Automotive Group to surprise this aspiring artist and Miriam's Kitchen. Here's Tobias Rodriguez with this week's ABC 7 Helping Hands.
I'm still trying to get used to having, like I told you last time, getting used to having water. So I had to get used to living and being in a home.
When we introduced you to Leroy Fenner 3 weeks ago, he had just found a home after being homeless for 2 years. Miriam's Kitchen, an organization that works to end homelessness in D.C., helped him get off the streets. Now Fenner is showing his new home to a dear friend, the chef at Miriam's, Cheryl Bell.
I'm working through the pandemic so that I can make sure that the people that don't have can have things and make it to this point.
Fenner was in for a surprise when Joel Bassam from Eastern's Automotive Group arrived at his home with something that would make his day even better.
How you doing?
Nice to meet you. I'm Joel from Eastern's, and we were touched by your story and wanted to continue to support your growth by donating $1,000 to keep you on your feet and keep you on this amazing journey.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Bassam couldn't leave out Miriam's Kitchen. A check of $1,000 for each.
Wow.
As part of the Eastern's Automotive Group sponsored ABC 7 Helping Hands program.
Community. I wanted to help both you guys out.
Thank you so much.
You're so
That's such a blessing.
Get all of this love and just nice, especially in the midst of what's going on in the world.
We're just honored to have the opportunity to give back to a community that's given so much to us. We've been in business for over 30 years, and we like to say giving back isn't a choice, it's in our DNA.
Thank you.
Belle whips up breakfast and dinner for the homeless Monday through Friday.
Fish cakes.
She says $1,000 could pay for 1,200 meals at Miriam's.
It also provides supplies, art supplies for people like Leroy. It supplies our outreach team to be able to provide meals out on the street.
As Belle cooks and cares for those still in need of a home,
It takes time to finesse.
Leroy says this money could help him further his passion for painting.
I want to go into school, art school. I want to become a real artist. So this is just another step of me getting blessings. You guys can't see it right now, but I have the biggest smile. I'm just in awe. So I really, yes.
Reporting in the district, Tobias Rodriguez, ABC 7 News.
I love that he showed off that smile. If you know someone or an organization who deserves an ABC 7 helping hand, you can nominate them by going to WJLA.com/helpinghands.
Now,